This is my unbiased review on my 3.1 Alu-Cab rooftop tent and my 270-degree awning. Don't fall over when you get on your tent. A few of the pros for this tent would have to be the ladder with its extended foot run so you don't actually hurt your feet when you climb up the ladder. The light with its high and low settings. The cigarette ports. These massive pockets they actually give you and you can fit stuff in it.
You can fit stuff in it.
Well, the other ones you can't. Man, the double canvas to stop dew build up and for insulation. The biggest con for me would be the fact that it actually leaked. I know it's not common, we think it's just because they missed a bit of silicone. Another downfall would be the Velcro, because when you open your tent, that there scratches on your arm. So we've decided to put a bit of Velcro over it like that to stop us scratching the crap out of our arm. I'm not too happy with the awning that it goes above the ladder. It doesn't attach to the tent very well. The condensation vent doesn't have the fly screen attached to it. The fly screen's attached to the outer canvas. The vent is opening on the inner canvas. The mattress was so hard we actually changed it out for a self-inflating air mattress so you can get a good comfy sleep. A quick tip with our mattress is we went and bought this air pump and it sucks all the air out of it so it can actually get low enough so we can fit all our bedding inside this actual tent, because without it you're not going to fit a good puffy doona or any pillows. Alright, let's move on to the awning, guys. A few of my favourite features about the 270-degree awning are the braces, because they're nice, thick and strong. It's got little crevices you can put the straps up into and tucks it out of the way. You don't have to worry about them flopping around. This awning is super easy to open, it only takes one person. Bit upset about the pulls. It's actually pulling quite bad. We don't think that's right, but that's getting checked tomorrow when we take our tent back in to get the leak sorted. To help the rain stop building up in the corners, another additional thing you can buy is a storm kit. I think it should just come with that from the get-go if that's what it requires to stop water pooling there. Another weird thing, you actually have to drill your own hole and put this brace in yourself. I don't know why they haven't done that from the factory, but that's just how they do things. Well, that's my take on the Alu-Cab and 270-degree awning. You are about to get a whole lot more footage from us. Like and subscribe and have a great day.